Here's a lemon-based dessert that I know you're going to love. It's a lemon curd Napoleon, and I'll start by making the curd. I'm using the double boiler method. I've got water just at a simmer, and in the top pot I've got 8 egg yolks. I'll add in some lemon juice, some lemon zest, and some sugar. Then I'll put it over the boiler and begin to whisk until the mixture thickens. Okay, then off the heat I'll add some butter cubes, incorporate it, and then set it off to the side. Now, working quickly with phyllo dough, I'll brush each with melted butter and then sprinkle with sugar, and I'll make 2 stacks of 3 sheets. Now cut out circles with a 3-inch biscuit cutter, then put the disc on a parchment-lined baking sheet, then top with another sheet of parchment, and then put another baking sheet on top of that, then bake it at 400 degrees for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, let's assemble the dessert. I'll start by putting a dab of that lemon curd just in the middle of the plate and a disc on top, and that'll hold the disc in place. Then I'll put some more lemon curd on top of the disc, and then a combination of blackberries and raspberries. One more disc on top of that, some more lemon curd, a few more berries, and finally 1 disc on top. Dust it with powdered sugar, garnish with some more of those delicious berries, and believe me, this is dessert that's worth the effort, and you can get the recipe by logging onto the website and clicking on the Kitchen Guy link, or write to me here at the station and I'll send it to you. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'm Chef Jim, and I'll see you next time.